Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. John Hancock's Retirement Planner, a comprehensive review. Here at Rome Tech, we're taking a close look at the John Hancock Retirement Planner. You can find helpful links to the product in the description below. This robust tool empowers individuals to take charge of their retirement planning journey, regardless of their current savings status or how close they are to retirement. The platform boasts a range of features tailored to individual financial aspirations and retirement timelines. Renowned for its intuitive interface and practical insights, the John Hancock Retirement Planner democratizes financial planning, making it accessible to users of all experience levels. The tool offers a clear snapshot of your retirement readiness through a comprehensive analysis of your current savings, projected retirement income, and anticipated expenses. A key strength of the planner lies in its interactive dashboard. This feature allows users to model various scenarios, such as adjusting contribution amounts, modifying retirement age, or altering investment growth rate assumptions. This dynamic planning capability provides users with real-time data, enabling them to make well-informed decisions. Furthermore, the platform incorporates calculators to estimate Social Security benefits, project potential healthcare costs, and identify any potential shortfalls in retirement funding. Seamless integration with John Hancock's 401k and other retirement accounts provides a consolidated overview of your assets. The planner offers personalized recommendations to optimize your savings strategy, such as increasing contributions or reallocating investments to better align with your risk tolerance and long-term financial objectives. For those who prefer personalized guidance from a professional, the planner connects you with John Hancock's network of financial advisors. A distinguishing feature of this platform is its emphasis on overall financial well-being. It includes valuable educational resources, such as informative videos and articles, designed to enhance your understanding of key retirement planning concepts. Moreover, it offers practical tools for managing debt, establishing emergency funds, and creating budgets, helping you maintain progress toward your broader financial goals. The John Hancock Retirement Planner is an excellent choice for individuals seeking a balanced approach, combining self-service tools with access to expert advice. Its straightforward design, comprehensive features, and seamless integration options cater to both novice and seasoned planners. Whether your goal is to maximize savings or secure a consistent income stream throughout retirement, the John Hancock Retirement Planner offers a dependable solution. Explore its features and begin planning for your future today by clicking the links provided in the description below.